It is a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. I'm gonna reach 45 degrees, which doesn't sound that exciting, but given the winter weather we've been having lately, 45 degrees is a welcome treat. So I'm here at a new to me preserve. This is called the Kirkwood Preserve. This is a part of the Willistown Trust Conservation Group. They have different preserves and things. So I'm in Newtown Square, Pennsylvania. We're gonna check out this beautiful preserve. So this just tells you a little bit about the Kirkwood Preserve. It's open sunrise to sunset. Leash dogs are permitted on certain trails. And this was open space saved by DCNR, the Willistown Conservation Trust. And then there is deer hunting in the adjacent land, but that is over now. That ended on the 19th. So this shows you, you can have your leash dog on the Tails Trail in the Northside Loop. And then these are the ones that dogs are not allowed to be on. I have my yak tracks, my micro spikes on today. They should help give me some traction. So this preserve has 5 different hiking trails. They're all relatively short, I'd say around a mile each, but you can combine them to make a nice big loop. So we'll see what things look like and we'll see what we do today. So here in the Philadelphia region, I live in the Philadelphia suburbs, and we always kind of are on the line where we don't always get snow where other parts of Pennsylvania do. There's a huge winter storm that is supposed to be coming, and it looks like we are really gonna get walloped. So that was another motivation for me today to get out while we've got these 40-degree temperatures, sunshine, good conditions, because things might get a little rough for a while. So they're predicting a lot of snow. We're also on the band where we might get some ice. So I don't know. I'm thinking there may be a few virtual days for my son at school, and I may not be able to go out and drive around. So we'll see. Got this little creek here, very pretty, partially frozen over. Pretty big rock boulder over there. Pretty big rock boulder over there. So it looks like there's no fishing here at the Kirkwood Preserve. So I think I've reached the point of winter where I'm officially over it. Like the thought of more snow coming, the extreme cold where we're down, you know, in the 10s, and you've got wind chill that makes you feel even colder. I'm so sick of it. So I'm just backtracking now. I went all the way down here, and then if I wanted to continue, I would have had to walk along the road, and it looks quiet now, but there is some traffic and things that go by. So I'm gonna backtrack and then cut over the bridge and go up. The spent milkweed pods, they're very beautiful too. All right, so we've got a little creek crossing here. They have nice steps. My favorite things about winter hiking is just being out here alone. I'm the only one here. Got the whole preserve to myself, and it's really cool. So let me know in the comments, how has your winter been? If you're in a warm weather area, rub it in. Tell me about all your nice weather. If you're in a cold weather area, let me know, has it been an especially difficult cold winter? How's the snow been? So I've switched to only one long format video a week, and I really love it because what I've been able to do is go out and hike and do outdoor activities without the pressure of filming. and I forgot how nice that is. So I'm doing a lot of hiking, I'm doing a lot of things, but not everything is getting filmed, and it's a really nice balance. So, and I also think maybe my views are going up a little bit more on the long format videos. So far the less is more approach is working out pretty good. So if you want to come here with your pet, there's a couple trails that are open to horses and dogs, and then there's some trails that are not open to pets. So just look at the map very closely. We've got a little Batman on the bat box there, that's cute. So if you continue down that way, and also on this side, this preserve does butt up against private property. So they have it marked very nicely where the preserve boundary is and where the private property starts, so it isn't really an issue. Like I said, there's some larger houses over there, but what's kind of funny is in front of the one house there's deer. I don't think it's going to pick up on the GoPro, but then on this one there's a whole lawn of Canada geese. So you've got this nature preserve here, yet they're all over at the houses, which is kind of funny. Maybe there's better things to eat over there. They have a lot of nice bird houses, the chimney swift structure, bat houses, things to help the wildlife in this area, which is really nice. It's definitely a very beautiful place to hike. There are no blazes or signs or things like that that I noticed, so use all trails. There's a map when you park, so you can take a photo of that and bring that with you as well. But they're all pretty short trails. I combined a number of them to see a good portion of the preserve today. But yeah, I think this is a great little spot. And if you're interested in seeing more winter hiking, be sure to check out our channel page. I have some winter hikes from Ridley Creek and some other beautiful spots if you want to see more snowy hikes.